Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save Adobe Scan documents in JPG form on mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to scan your documents using the Adobe Scan app. For this example, we're going to upload a document that's already on your device. This gives you a quick way to convert existing files without having to scan them from scratch. Once you've uploaded your document, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Save PDF. This is an important first step because Adobe Scan needs to process your document in PDF format before it can convert it to JPEG. Go ahead and tap that button to initiate the saving process. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the saving process completes. During this time, the app is preparing your document and ensuring all the scanned pages are properly processed and ready for conversion. This usually takes just a few seconds, but it's crucial to let it finish completely before moving to the next step. Once the saving process is complete, you'll be able to see your files appear on the screen. At this point, your document is saved as a PDF, but we're going to convert it to JPEG format, which is more versatile for sharing and viewing on different devices. Now tap on Save as JPEG. This option tells the app to convert your PDF document into individual JPEG image files. Each page of your document will become a separate image, which is perfect if you need to share specific pages or use them in presentations and other applications. After tapping that option, you'll need to wait again for a brief moment while the app processes the conversion. The app is now transforming your PDF pages into high-quality JPEG images and preparing them to be saved to your device. This conversion process is usually quite fast, but the time may vary depending on how many pages your document contains. And there you have it. Your documents will now appear in your photo gallery and will be saved as JPEG files. You can now easily access them, share them, or use them in any way you need without worrying about PDF compatibility issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.